First, to start in Washington state today, the no mask, no service policy is now in effect. Businesses are no longer allowed to serve a customer who is not wearing a face covering unless that person has a medical reason. Fox 12's John Hendricks spoke with Vancouver businesses today. He's live with the story. John?
Well, Pete and Camilla, just about every business here in downtown Vancouver has a sign just like this. Masks are required in all common areas inside this building. It's just one step the state is taking to battle COVID-19. At Vinny's New York Style Pizza in downtown Vancouver, signs are posted reminding customers to wear a mask.
So far this week, I've noticed everybody wearing them.
Today is day one of Washington's no mask, no service policy.
I feel like if it's a measure that we're taking to regulate the spread, then, it's not that hard to put the mask on and keep everybody safe,
They're not alone. Corey Gilday owns Gilday Sport Conditioning Gym. He'll tell you he hasn't always seen eye to eye with state leadership on the response to COVID-19.
And I will first admit that I was super upset in the beginning with the way the leadership was going, and now I've kind of realized that maybe they had a good idea of what's going on.
He's masked up. His gym is taking every precaution and more, knowing that if the virus continues its march, there is always a possibility businesses could get shut down again.
I know people don't believe it might not help that much, but if it helps a little bit, just a little bit, we need any help we can get.
We have an effective prevention for COVID-19 to prevent this. We have the power to do this.
Dr. Alan Milnick with Clark County Public Health says wearing a face covering should not be a political issue.
We shouldn't have to argue, make it a political point to argue about no shoes, no shirt, no mask, no service. It's really, an obligation we have to protect others around us.
He adds there is cause for concern.
My big concern is that, right now we're seeing more cases, and there's a lag time that, we'll begin to see hospitalizations and deaths.
For business owners in Vancouver we spoke to today, they don't want to go backwards. They're happy to be open, even if it means a few restrictions.
I just want to be open. I want us to move forward. And if this reduces us even 5%, that's that much closer we can get to being open.
Now, local law enforcement tell us that they will not be enforcing that mask mandate. That falls under labor and industries, but they do say if things do get out of hand, they will come in to keep the peace. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.